Homa Janilu, here I am Tapadashanga from Nungshipi Mar Piral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Vishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some sentences using the verbs go and do. The sentences I am going to share are in present infinite tense. The first one is I go. I go means me jauriga. You know that I means me, go means jana, so it will be I go means me jauriga. The second sentence you go. You means ti. You go means ti jarga. If you is a boy, then it will be ti jarga. If you is a girl, then it will be ti jauriga. I repeat, ti jauriga. He goes, ta jarga. She goes, te jeriga. You know that he means ta, he goes, ta jarga. She means te, so it will be she goes, te jeriga. Okay, now the sentences are in plural form, such as we go. We means ami, go means jana, so it will be we go means ami jiarga. Ami jiarga. You go. You means tumi. You go means tumi jaraiga. Okay, tumi jaraiga. They means tanu, so it will be they go means tanu jitaraga. They go means tanu jitaraga. Now I am going to share the sentences in past indefinite tense. The first sentence is I went means me gesiluga. You know that I means me. I went means me gesiluga. You went. You means ti. So it will be you went means ti gesilega. I repeat, ti gesilega. He went. He means ta. He went means ta gesilga. Ta gesilga. She went means tei gesiliga. Tei gesiliga. She means tei, so it will be tei gesiliga. I went me gesiluga. You went ti gesilega. He went ta gesilga. She went tei gesiliga. Now, let me share these sentences in plural form. The first one is we went. We means ami, went means gesilanga. So it will be we went, ami gesilanga. You went. You means to me. You went means to me gesilaiga. To me gesilaiga. They went. They means tanu, so it will be they went means tanu gesilaga. I repeat, tanu gesilaga. Okay, now let me share the sentences in future indefinite tense. I will go. I means me. I will go means me jitauga. Me jitauga. You will go. You means ti. You will go means ti jitega. He will go. He means ta. He will go means ta jitoiga. I repeat, ta jitoiga. She will go. She means te. She will go means te jitoiga. Te jitoiga. Okay, now you can practice with me. I will go, me jitauga. You will go, ti jiteiga. He will go, ta jiteiga. She will go, te jiteiga. Again, let me share these sentences in plural form. The first one is we will go means ami jitangaiga. We means ami. We will go means ami jitangaiga. You will go. You means to me, so it will be you will go means to me jitaraiga. They will go. They means tanu, so it will be They will go means Tanu jitaiga. I repeat, Tanu jitaiga. We will go, আমি জিতাইগা. You will go, তুমি জিতারাইগা. They will go, তানু জিতাইগা. Now I'm going to share the sentences using the verb do. And these sentences will be in present indefinite tense. Okay? So, I do means me koruri. You do means ti koror. He does ta korer. She does tei koriri. I do me koruri. You do ti koror. He does ta korer. She does tei koriri. Again, these sentences will be in plural form. We do ami koriyar. We do means ami koriyar. We means ami. We do means ami koriyar. You do means tumi kororai. They do means tanu kortara. So it will be we do ami koriyar. You do tumi kororai. They do tanu kortara. Now let me share these sentences in past indefinite tense. The first one is I did. I means me. I did means me koresilu. You did means ti koresile. You means ti, so it will be you did means ti koresile. He did. He means ta. He did means ta koresil. She means they. She did means they koresili. I repeat, I did me koresilu. You did ti koresile. He did ta koresil. She did they koresili. In plural form, we did ami koresilang. We means ami. We did means ami koresilang. You did. You means tumi. You did means tumi koresilai. They did. They means tanu. So it will be they did means tanu koresila. I repeat. We did ami koresilang. You did tumi koresilai. They did tanu koresila. They did tanu koresila. In future indefinite tense, I will do. I means me. I will do means me korto. Me korto. You will do ti korte. You means ti. You will do means ti korte. He will do. He means ta. So it will be he will do means ta kortoi. She will do. She means they. She will do means they kortoi. I repeat. I will do me korto. You will do ti kortei. He will do ta kortoi. She will do tei kortoi. In plural form, we will do means ami kortangai. We means ami. We will do means ami kortangai. You will do means tumi kortarai. You know that you means tumi, so it will be you will do means tumi kortarai. They will do. They means tanu. They will do means tanu kortai. I repeat. We will do ami kortangai. You will do tumi kortarai. They will do tanu kortai. Okay then. Let me conclude today. Meet you again. Take care. Dhanabad. Namaskar.